Hey guys, it's Melanie with Loose Wigs. Today I'm going to show you how to do a halo braid on a long lace front loose wig. First you're going to need an elastic, some hair clips if you have them. If you don't have hair clips, you can use a rubber band or you can use bobby pins to section off the hair. I like to start by sectioning out the bangs that I want. I like to leave a little face frame behind my face. Also want to make sure the nape of my neck is nice and loose, so keep that in mind. I use my hair clip or bobby pin if you have that. I also use my rat tail comb to pull out any flyaways or ear tab pieces out front, and I use my bobby pin to secure them just so that they're nice and out and it looks really kind of natural and bohemian. Then I go in and start French braiding down. I'm only French braiding the front part of my head. I'm not taking anything from the back because I don't want the wefts to show. When I get to my nape, I stop and actually use an elastic to secure the braid. I then work on the other section. I actually braid this one all the way down and I use an elastic to secure it. Next, I go around and just loosen up the braid by pulling slightly on the braided pieces, and it creates like a really nice loose look. Then I go in with bobby pins and I take the loose braid, I tuck it around my head for the halo, and I just hide it inside the braids, and I bobby pin it down. Use the flat side of your bobby pin to make sure it looks nice and even and you can't see any hair sticking out. You can go ahead and remove the rest of the clips, and you can rock this style with just the face frame and a low ponytail, and that looks super nice. You can go ahead and braid that ponytail up and bobby pin it back around your head just like we did before and create a full halo effect. There you have it. There's the finished look, perfect for wedding season or date night or holiday, whatever you got going on this spring and summer. Very cute halo braid on a long loose wigs, and thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.